So this is the range. This is very easy to calculate. Unfortunately, if I have outliers in my data, it makes the range almost useless. So then we have to go back to our original question. How can we measure how spread apart our data is without kind of being susceptible to the outlier problem, or at least reduce our sensitivity to the outlier problem? And the answer to that question is something extremely important in statistics, and that is the concept of variance. That's the concept of variance. All right, so we've done the range, we've figured out how to do that. Now we're going to try to calculate something called the variance, which is going to tell us how spread apart the data is in a way that's not quite as susceptible to outliers. So that's very, very important. And the concept of variance, I'm going to tell you right now, along with standard deviation, which we'll get to in a little bit, the concept of variance is never going to leave you in statistics. So you really need to make sure, just like understanding the mean, very important. Understanding the variance, extremely important. So instead of just putting down the equation for variance, which I could do and be done, I'm going to lead you through a logical kind of walkthrough of what it means. And so that way you'll know what the equation is for variance, but you'll also know in your gut what it really means, because that's what you really need to think about. And that's what you really need to internalize. So let's say that you have some data set